Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about importance of physical fitness and wellness. I have explained you the definition of physical fitness: ability to do routine work efficiently and at the end still reserve energy to do some more work is called physical fitness. Wellness, it is a vast meaning to keep individual healthy and remain in balanced life is state of wellness. Means how you can be in wellness, you should be what are those objectives you have to fulfill, then you are in wellness state. Now today we are discussing about importance of physical fitness and wellness. Those are physically fit and well, they lead happy and balanced life. They always remain happy and leads very balanced way of their life. Then those are physically fit, they are having less chances or risk of heart and lungs disease. Any kind of heart concern problem or lungs concern problem like asthma and all, chances will be less. And less chances of blood pressure also. Those are physically fit, you will never find the patient of blood pressure, heart diseases, lungs diseases and all. Next is to perform routine work easily. Routine work, every individual has to do their routine work like walking, climbing over stairs, coming down, going to market, back, lifting some weights, placing, all these activities, going to bathroom, bathing and all. If you are not physically fit, sometimes you might have heard that so and so our family member slept in the so and so place, or you required to lift 5 kg weight and place on the top of anywhere, you are not able to lift a bucket of water in bathroom and all, then this comes under routine work. So those are physically fit, they can perform their routine work easily. Now physical fitness adds years to one's life, means you aging process stops, you looks healthy, and at the age of more years also you look 10 years less because of your physical fitness. Physical fitness improve posture and appearance. What is your body posture, how you look, your personal appearance, that improves by doing physical activities. And by doing physical activity or keeping your body physically fit, you remains always active. You will not be feeling drowsiness or laziness, always remain active because of your fitness. Improve mental ability. Taking part in physical activities, their mind becomes sharp and they have to take decisions in fraction of second. So active, what decision is to be taken when while playing the game and all. So then don't hesitate to take any kind of quick action, that is because of their mental ability. It helps to manage stress and tension. Any kind of stressful situation, physical fit person, they never take it as a load and they don't be worried about that, and they are very easily they can manage the stressful and tension situation. Healthy mind and healthy body enhances self-confidence in the individual. Those are healthy body or healthy mind or physical fit person, their confidence level is very high. Physical fitness increases the resistance power against disease. Any kind of disease, that resistance ability, you can say the immunity level or immune power of the individual, that increases, and very often they don't fall sick. So that's why it is said sound mind in healthy body. Okay, this point already we have discussed. It adds years to one's life. Adds years to one life means you will live long and aging process stops. आप 60 साल के हो जाओगे, आप 50 के दिखोगे, आप 40 के हो जाओगे, 30 के दिखोगे. So because of health, you look very less. Exactly, age will not be, age pressure will not be there, and your body muscularity everything remains active. You are free from disease. All these adds years to one's life. So today's topic is ended here. Have a very good and healthy day.